Recently, Hubei CNTSUN celebrated the grand opening of its northern manufacturing base in Tianjin, alongside the 2024 Annual Supplier Conference, bringing together over 100 top-tier suppliers and partners to mark this significant milestone. Opening the ceremony, Hubei CNTSUN's chairman, Mr. Chen Junyu, extended a warm welcome to all attendees. He reflected on the company's growth journey, highlighted the core values of integrity in management and win-win cooperation, and outlined an ambitious vision for the future in the realm of new energy. Following the ribbon-cutting ceremony, Chairman Chen Junyu signed strategic cooperation agreements with representatives from several key partners. This act symbolizes Hubei CNTSUN's commitment to forging stronger alliances and working hand-in-hand with more partners towards a shared future. The new base spans 10,000 square meters and is designed to produce approximately 3 gigawatts of solar mounting systems annually. This expansion not only boosts the company's production capabilities, but also generates local jobs and stimulates regional economic growth. Embracing the spirit of moving forward with determination, Hubei CNTSUN sees this celebration as a new beginning. Committed to its original aspirations, the company aims to strive for excellence and play a vital role in the nation's energy transition. We look forward to witnessing Hubei CNTSUN's even more brilliant and promising future.